Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful new home from D.R. Horton. It's a new signature home. It's the Destin model. It's a very nice home. Okay, this is the model home, so like I always say in the other videos, one of the bathrooms is not going to look like a regular bathroom. So let me start over here on the side of the house here. Show you a little bit the side here. That's where the AC is. This is a very popular model. A lot of people like it because it's so, big. Actually, when you go inside, it's the size is amazing. And it has 3 bedrooms and a den. And it's 2,368 square feet on the air. Okay, so you come in, you have this nice, beautiful door. As you can see, you got a touchpad. Most of the D.R. Horton homes, they all have that pad because they're smart homes. Here's your pad, smart home pad. Okay, as I told you, as you come in, it's very, very spacious. Okay, over here to the left is the first bedroom. Okay, let me stand over here so you can visualize it. See, here's where they have all the different decorations, items, tiles, and more tiles. Okay, as you can see, you have the closet there. This room right here, it's 12 feet by 10 feet 6 inches. Okay, now we're moving on to the other room. First, let's stop at the bathroom. So you can see this is what I was telling you. The bathroom, it's not like a regular bathroom because it's a model home, but the shower will be on the back there, and you have your sink with your counter over here. So I have other videos that I have done on this model while it was in construction, so you could maybe visualize those. Just check those videos out. Okay, over here, we're in the second bedroom. Okay, very nice, decorated. Let me stand over here in the corner so you can see it. Okay, you got your closet there. Nice high ceilings. 8-foot doors. Okay, now we move to the spacious room I told you about. This is why people love this layout. I don't know if the video does justice, but I mean, it's very spacious. Here's your living room. This living room area, it's approximately 20 feet 10 inches by 19 and 8 inches. So it's big. Okay, now we're gonna go over to the master bedroom and I'll show you the other side of the home. Okay, this is your master. The master's size is 14 feet 2 inches by 16 feet 2 inches, more or less. Look how beautifully decorated it is. Let's check out the ceiling. I love D.R. Horton. They have very good quality and very good finished product. And they offer a lot of incentives, so. Let's go over here to the master bathroom. As you walk in, you have your nice walk-in closet over here. Over here, you got your tub, your shower, your sink, and right here is your water closet. Turn the light on. Oh, sorry about this. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's move over here. your shower. As you see, the shower's all tiled. Here's the tub again. And back here you got a towel closet too. Actually, no, you have a his closet. Because it's small. I thought it was a towel closet, but it's a his closet. Surprised. So, you got your his closet and then your her closet over here. Okay, let me show you one more time from this angle. Very beautiful home. Okay, now we're going over to the kitchen. But first, take a look at this beautiful spacious room here. And over here to my left, you have your lanai. As you can see, it's between two block walls, and you got a pretty good size here. It's let me see if I can see here without glasses. It's like 10 feet 4 inches by 12 feet 9 inches. It's a good size. And what I like is, you got walls on both sides, so it's secluded, and if you decide to do the pool, then you could just go ahead from here. And it's also pavers. Okay, let's move over here to the beautiful kitchen. Right here you have another area to eat. So you have your dining room over there. You have your other area over here. Also, let me show you this other bathroom. Okay. This home has 3 bathrooms. Here's your study. It's optional. You can make this also into a bedroom if you need it, but this one is a study. Okay, let's go over the kitchen here. Very nice cabinets. Over here is your laundry. And out here is your humongous 3-car garage. Okay, so let's go back. Show you the kitchen here from the front here. One thing that I wanted to tell you is that they have a lot of different floor plans, and they also have some new construction coming soon. So if you're interested, just give us a call. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Let me stand over here to close out the video. I forgot to show you the chandeliers here. Okay, let me close over here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. You can call us at 239-410-7372. Remember, Renata and I has been selling real estate in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida for over 20 years. If you have any questions on this home or any other home or any other community, feel free to contact us, okay? So, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.